Your Saramonic Air SE will come with everything you see here. One kit includes a USB-C and Lightning receiver, and the other only includes a USB-C receiver. The charging case magnetically holds each microphone, one at each end, along with the receiver in the middle. Upon unboxing, you'll want to remove any stickers from the charging contacts and charge the case for at least 1 hour before using for the best battery life. But if you're excited, they're paired and ready to go right out of the box. Simply remove the microphone transmitters from the charging bar, which powers them on automatically. But holding the power button for 3 seconds also powers them on and off. Next, plug the receiver into your phone, tablet, or other compatible device. We recommend opening the Saramonic app if this is your first time using the mics in order to set them up. The solid blue indicator lights on the receiver and the transmitters mean that both mics are paired. If for some reason the lights are blinking, they are not paired. Please see the chapter on pairing. Using the attached magnet or clip, place the transmitter about 8 inches from your mouth. Talk and make sure you are getting good levels. Getting a little bit of yellow is okay, but if it goes into the red zone when talking, lower the output gain. Starting at 4 is recommended for most voices. Lower to 3 for loud voices, or raise it to 5 or above for soft voices. The Air SE features an automatic limiter, which ensures you don't overload, so don't worry if things get a bit loud later. We recommend completely closing the Saramonic app prior to opening your recording app for optimal sound quality. Once your recording app is open, you can single tap the button on the transmitter to start and stop recording, or snap a photo. Now to get the most out of your Saramonic Air, we'll walk you through the included accessories, features like AI noise cancellation, and the app. Let's talk about the included accessories. There are 2 ways to attach the microphones. First, simply use the magnets that come connected to the microphones in the case to easily attach to clothing. Second, using these clips. Simply stick your transmitter to the clip. We recommend sticking the magnets to the case if not in use. If you want to use it handheld, you can simply attach it back to the charging case and simply hold down the power button for 3 seconds until it shows blue, or green if AI noise cancellation is activated. And you're ready to use the mic handheld. Attach a fuzzy windscreen, whether on your shirt or using it handheld if it's windy outside. And everything, including the charging cable, fits neatly inside this included bag. Charging the transmitters is done using the charging case, and the charging case is charged using USB-C. When attaching the transmitter to the charging case, a red light on the back of the case means the case is low on power, and a green light means it's good to go. It takes 60 minutes to reach a full charge on the transmitter, and 1.5 hours to recharge the case. The transmitters themselves will have a red LED on when charging, and you can also check their battery levels when using the app. They will run for about 6 hours on a full charge, and 4.5 hours with noise cancellation applied. The case can also give each transmitter an additional full charge as well. The app for the Saramonic Air uses the receiver as the key. From the home screen, select Saramonic Air SE Device Management. Now, from this screen, you can see the levels and adjust the output gain. We recommend starting at 4 and going to 3 if you are a loudspeaker, or 5 if you are more soft-spoken. Select strong, weak, or off for noise cancellation.
Right now I have some crowd noise playing over the speaker and I have a fan blowing on me. I'm going to activate the strong noise cancellation so you guys can see the difference. This is the microphone now with the strong noise cancellation activated. Isn't it crazy what a difference it makes between the two? Next I'm going to show you the weak one so you can see the difference between strong and weak. Now we have the microphone activated with the weak noise cancellation. It brings back a little bit of that room tone, but it still gets the job done. Now I'm going to turn the noise cancellation off so you can see the difference between all 3 of them. And now we have noise cancellation off, and you can hear the crowd noise and the fan again.
Note that when noise cancellation is off, the LED will be solid blue. When switching to strong noise cancellation, the LED will blink 3 times quickly, then turns solid green. Then, when switching to weak noise cancellation, the LED will blink 3 times slowly, then stay solid green. Tapping the button on the receiver also cycles through the different levels of noise cancellation. Next, you can switch between mono, which records the same audio from one or both transmitters on both the left and right tracks. Stereo, which separates one transmitter to the left channel and the other to the right channel. And safety, which is like mono, except it records a track 12 decibels lower on the right channel to prevent hot audio levels. Each transmitter will show signal strength, battery life, give you the ability to mute and unmute, and change how the mics are EQ'd. You can also turn off the LEDs on the transmitters. If you do this, make sure you have solid lights on the receiver so you know they are on. You can also enable your phone's speaker for playback without having to remove the receiver. We recommend always leaving this on. If you find for some reason your mics are not paired and the LED is blinking, the following steps will get them paired again. With the receiver plugged in and the transmitters off, hold the power button on the transmitters for 5 seconds until they blink rapidly. Then hold the noise cancellation button down on the receiver for 5 seconds, and the indicator will blink blue rapidly. When connected, both transmitters and receiver lights will blink solid blue. Then, you're ready to record. Also remember to make sure the Saramonic app is not running when you start recording using your phone's native app or any third-party apps. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.